They are reinstating the power hookup from side to side. Now we're going to turn main power on, and she is ready to go. Looks like power's on for the surge. So we're going to go through and we're going to select our languages, set up Wi-Fi, fuel selection, natural gas. Good morning. We are going to Indianola. Somebody's having a little bit of issue with heating pads, and we're going to go there and see what's going on. All right, just got back from Indianola. They were not heating pads. It looked like something was misconstrued. They were actually, in fact, ceiling fans. We are now heading out to Des Moines. Previous customer we've been having, we had to temp up his furnace. We could wait for the new wire transfer over. That's getting done today. So we're going to be going out there. Be right back, guys. So we are back out here in Des Moines right now, and they are reinstating the power hookup from side to side, and we're upgrading the power because it went up from a 100 amp service to a 200 amp service. So we're taking out the old wire, putting in the new one. We'll see how it goes from there. Give us just one moment, guys. All right, so power was restored. So what we're going to be doing, opening up this, looks like main breaker's off along with the surge. So we're going to turn the surge on, and then we're going to turn main power on, and she is ready to go. Looks like power's on for the surge. So we're going to put this back up. All right, so yeah, new system that was powered up. Looks like it was rewired back up. We're going to go inside and we're going to go and test out that power real quick. We got light. So we got the panel all set up. Looks like this panel was off on the inside. All the breakers are on, untripped.
I think it'll go ahead and pass.
Right. And with that, we are done with another one. Guy looking to sell his house is all taken care of now. Going to be going on to the next job for the day. Sounds like somebody's water heater has gone out, or it's the disconnect. We will find out here in just a moment. It's here in Des Moines, so it won't be too far off. Be right back, guys. All right, well, that visit was a bust. Went over to a customer's house and they are not there, so we went and drove out to Hartford, so that way we can get a better look at what's going on with this generator. It sounds like the gas is all hooked up, so we're going to get it started. All right, guys, we're going to open up this case here. So normally we don't hook up the battery until the power is fully restored, and since we couldn't do that yesterday, that's what we're doing now. All right, I got the battery, and then afterwards we're going to go through the system setup and get that all taken care of. Now, usually with Generac, since we are Generac certified, we go through and we do a little bit of this here and there on we got the battery hooked up, but we have a little kit to go and keep the battery warm during the winter times, so that way it's not really that much of a cold start on the battery, at least not as much. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut this back up. So as you can see here, as language, so we're going to go through and we're going to select our languages. Here's English, set up Wi-Fi, fuel selection, natural gas, since this is coming in from natural gas line. Now, some people get confused on what's natural gas, what's propane. Do you have a regular like that and no propane tank on site, that is your natural gas coming in. If you have something big, like a propane tank or anything like that, you might have a propane tank. But there are people who have both. So when selecting your generator size, that company over here, when you're selecting your generator, always want to make sure to select the right one. And we are right here on the natural gas, so this is all the way over to here. That's all set to go. So that's what we're going to pick. So natural gas, Pull smart start. Yes. Now we're going to go to activate me. And that's where I'm going to be going through. Getting that all taken care of. In order to run that, you'll have a little thing, which I'm going to be covering up this stuff here. Right there, you have like a little Wi-Fi MAC address for whenever they do set up Wi-Fi. And then for down here, you have model, serial, item number, all that kind of stuff. And that'll tell you usually on everything that you need to fill out for the registration itself. So I'm going to set you right here. And then we are going to be activated on this. We are about ready to start this. So there's a couple of things you gotta also be sure to do. There is a switch right here, which it is in the on position. And we also turn that breaker on. And that switch there. Once that is taken care of. All right, so we are about ready to test this out. Okay. So what I'm going to do, put this in automatic mode. Now that's in automatic mode, quite literally, once you lose power to your house, it should kick up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this breaker off. And your house should have power. All right, and with that, they're a satisfied customer. We are going to be going out to Melcher, Dallas because tomorrow we are doing another generator install. Alrighty, we are on our way out to Melcher, Dallas. We're all doing this all in one day, so going to be heading out there. We're going to take a look at the service outside and see what we need to do to alter it to go and make our transfer switch work. Other than that, everything's going to be swell. It's going to be great. Going to get everything ordered ahead of time, and that way we're not screwing around tomorrow morning. But anyways, see you guys there in a little bit. Woohoo!